Joseph, welcome to the Coffee Pot. My name is Chisha Zed.
Drink the coffee, it'll make you feel better.
I hated my first time, so I paid $10K for surgery to restore my virginity. Yes, you heard that correctly. Yes, I will repeat it. She says, I hated my first time, so I paid $10K for surgery to restore my virginity. Listen, guys, I read this caption and post. I was speechless. Speechless. And I thought to myself, no, this can't be true. Probably a fake story. Boom, a bunch of articles online about this chick actually going through with surgery to restore her virginity.
Women.
An article from New York Times on this topic reads, a Miami woman, of course, is claiming she underwent hymen reconstruction surgery because she wants to have sex like it's the very first time. Influencer Julia Medeiros, I'm gonna go with that one. Let me know if I'm saying it right or wrong down below, who has made headlines for looking like Kylie Jenner, explained she endured the $10,000 procedure because she wasn't happy with the way she popped her cherry. Oh, wow. Okay, yeah. Hey, just go and get the procedure and voila, you're a virgin again. Unbelievable.
God damn it! You can't make this shit up!
So the article quoted her here and it says, I was 17 years old teenager when I lost my virginity to a 30-year-old guy. Medeiros, 22, told the Daily Star, without disclosing the former guy's name, just like many women, I was deceived. I was promised marriage and children like in fairy tales. She added, it's evident that once he got what he wanted, he didn't keep anything he promised. I wonder how old she is now. Oh, she's 22, 17. So roughly like 5 years back. My question is, have you been having sex in between? Of course. Like, why am I even asking that? Of course. Guys, I bet you this has less to do. This chick probably does OnlyFans. I bet you this has less to do with that one first guy and has more to do with her getting ran. Right? And thinking to herself, well, this procedure might help tighten things up. Now, from a biological perspective, I know people say things like, you can't have so many bodies that your walls are loose. I don't know, man. We need some more data on that because... Listen, we need some more data on that is all I'm going to say. Medeiros, who hails from Brazil, also insisted she hasn't worn underwear in 2 years. But why is this in the article? As she has grown more comfortable with her body, she says her libido has already increased. I gained so much more sensual contour of my body, the model noted. The panties prevented me from showing my real cheek size. Okay. She says she has not yet taken her new lady bits out for a spin. Come on. According to the Daily Star, as she's saving that experience for someone special. Wow. So they quoted her again here. She says, I always wanted to have that special moment for myself. I want it to be unique and romantic like in a fairy tale. That's why I had the surgery, the influencer confessed. Wow. What do you guys think of this so far? As always, man, we're going to check out some of these comments. These comments come from my subscribers on the Coffee Pot Official. Listen, if you'd like your comment featured on the channel, make sure you go follow us at the Coffee Pot Official on Instagram. First comment reads, there is no restoring virginity. It's lost. It's gone. Another person who says, laugh out loud, stop it, get help. Another gentleman added, the word virginity, by definition, is someone who's never experienced sex. She can't take away her awful experience. Be careful out there. Another person here added, doesn't work that way, young lady. And another gentleman here says, she just made another dude's pull out game much harder now. Another chick here says, and she gonna say she a virgin when asked. This woman just left a bunch of laughing emojis. Somebody else here says, or to tighten them walls with the shish emojis and the laughing emojis. Another person here says, can't make this shit up. Yeah, you really can't. This is crazy, man. Think about this. Is it possible that there will come a time where women will start doing this procedure just so that they could tighten their walls? Not just for the purpose of like, oh, restoring my virginity. No. I'm looking at this. I'm like, you know what? I can see this becoming something that women do as a procedure. What a crazy, crazy, crazy time we're living in, man. Wild, 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 wild. I'm curious to know what you think. Leave your comments down below. I appreciate you for checking out another episode of The Coffee Pod. Till next time, I'm out.